I could face anything. You turn that down because of copyrights. Hi guys, I hope you guys are doing well. So today is Wednesday and I have had quite a day already. First and foremost, I didn't even sleep throughout the night because Mia took ill in the middle of the night. She was just throwing up non-stop. She did have a lot of stuff to eat the night before, including some candy that I think messed up with her system. So I knew she would have a rough night. I just did not know we would land in the hospital in the process. So we literally had to rush her. By the time she threw up like 4 times, we had to rush her to the hospital because even the medication I gave to her to stop the vomiting, she was still throwing it out. We went to the hospital like around 4 a.m. and they gave her an injection to stop the vomiting and gave her an antibiotic, as well as ORS to replace all her lost nutrients, electrolytes and all of that. And you guys know kids, she's back to normal. She didn't go to school today, but she's back to being her normal playful self, like nothing happened. It was just a very clear case of overfeeding, and just her tummy just could not take all of what she ingested yesterday night. So that was literally how I began my day, as early as 3 a.m. basically. And I also had to, like, you know, wake up early. Even though I didn't take her to school, I had to go to the market because my house was just charcoal. There was nothing in the house, so I had to go to the market, buy food stuff, prep ingredients for soup that I will make when I get back home because I have work to do. I just came out right now. I'm in JABI Lake Mall. I'm meeting up today with Tango of Moms at Brunch and Jakoko and some other ladies. As always, you guys know my crew already. We are doing some work for PUMA today, guys. PUMA, like, that is really dope. PUMA just opened a store here at JABI Lake Mall, and we're going to be creating content for them today, which is fun. All right, bigger brands are coming our way. That's amazing, guys. Like, that is so amazing. Yeah, so I'm here. I'm going in right now. I'm wearing this camisole and a pair of jeans and this blazer. If you remember my last birthday shoot, I wore a set, this blazer and a skirt, and I haven't worn it since then. So I was like, you know what, let me wear this blazer with jeans today and a white cami and see what it looks like. And I love it, guys. I love it. I love my necklace. You guys know I have some tiny gold hoops as well, and I'm wearing some mules, black plain mules. In fact, when I dressed up like this, my husband was like, babe, can I just snap you a picture before you go, please? You're looking too fine. Can I snap you a photo before you go? You're looking too fine. So maybe this photo will already be, or the photos will already be on my Instagram. Maybe I would leave like something here for you guys to see what it was looking like. I don't know, but yeah, I absolutely love the look today. And yeah, let me go in and meet my girls. I am already really late, so let me go in and see what's going on.
They keep on telling lies. That is how we stay alive.
Hi Tango. Hi. Hi Moms at Brunch. Back. No, they don't know.
I'm thinking.
She better going to get ready for Coco today. When I go, she go create content, die. Come on.
When I was loud, I was not even serious.
Definitely my vibe.
In different rhythms.
Organic.
Telling lies. That's how we stay alive. At least we try to survive. We're not the ones who hide. Two different minds. Two different minds. We're not the ones who hide. Two different minds.
You know just what to say to make it all okay. 'Cause I am too blind to see
My car is outside. Can I see your fine face, please? Hi. How are you, my princess?
Fine.
Are you good?
Yes.
Where are you going?
I'm going to the house.
You're going to
Dad's house.
Grandma's house. Always excited to go to Grandma's house.
Hey.
Careful. Careful. Careful, girl. Okay, come this way now.
I want to stay back here.
I'm at Grace Grandma and see your gum now. You know what? Meaning what? Yeah. Mama, no, don't do that. Come now, auntie.
I have you in mind.
Really? My auntie.
Sleeping.
Auntie, the same thing happened to me when I came back. I was sleeping for like 2-3 days.
What are you saying?
The exhaustion, that trip.
Last started since 2 days.
That's about trip was too much. It was so exhausting. Back to back, every day. Morning till night. Thank you, Elisa. Morning till night. How are you, auntie? You look good.
What's in the soup, man?
I did. How far? How far?
You there like Dele?
They look like Lukumon.
They look like Dele.
Auntie, I don't be like the Legiwa.
You don't welcome my sisters for me.
No. 1 and 2. Oh, by the way, I didn't even record Auntie today at all. Hi, Auntie. I did, Nancy, when I came, when you were lying down here. I was recording you. Like this, my auntie is a character, you guys. He's a character. Okay, you guys see the resemblance. See Mom C. See Mom C. Right? See her elder sister. See her other elder sister. Can you guys see the resemblance? It's crazy. Pictures.
I now called him, I now said, look at. She's tying blue.
See my uncle.
I'm tying orange.
Auntie Benedicta. Nanya. I want more Auntie Benedicta. Auntie Benedicta.
Oh, the resemblance was something else. Vigil Mass, yeah. The resemblance is it's a whole lot.
I'm on Kuche Bang. Mrs. Ojuba.
Oh my God!
The only person that tells us apart is Uncle Victor. Opposite was Ogum. Bianchiru. Yes, he's the only one. I don't think he knows me.
Auntie, because you're not there here with us now. That's why.
I got tired of it.
I know.
I got tired of it.
I haven't worn this hair in a little bit and it is given. But hi guys, hope you guys are doing well. Today is Friday and I'm just about heading out. This is like 8:30 p.m. almost 9 p.m. and yes, I am about heading out. And yes, it is for work. It's not just a fun outing. Okay, it's a fun outing, but it's also a work outing, okay, because I'm being paid to do this. But yeah, I'm going out to this place called Blake Resort. It used to be in existence here in Abuja, but they shut down for some years and I think they opened up very recently. So I was invited today. I think they're having something there today, so I was invited. Well, I was paid to go there this evening. Yeah, and I'll be going with my husband. You guys have always been attacking me. Oh my God, Alma, you don't go out with your husband. Oh my God, you guys hardly ever go out. All your outings are solo outings or with your friends. I'm going out with him this night, okay? I'm dragging him out with me this night. But yeah, I'm wearing this cute outfit. Guys, I had this outfit made a long time ago. Like a long time ago. I'll show you guys what it looks like in full. But I made this outfit like months ago and I have not worn it. Like I have not worn it. I got the fabric from Maps Couture. I've worked with them before. And it was made by my girl, BB Artistry. Let me show you guys real quick what the full outfit is looking like, okay? This is what the outfit is looking like. Okay, so it's a jumpsuit, like showing some clavaja. I had to even use a brooch to hold it in place. I love these sleeves so much. Like I really love them, and it's like really long, guys. Look, it's really long. All right, so I'll take you guys along with us and show you guys all that we get up to on this lovely Friday night. This hair, I've not even worn this hair like since the week I filmed for the brand. I've not really worn it, and I'm like, why haven't I been wearing this hair, please? It's so pretty. Anyway guys, let's go and have some Friday night fun.
I don't understand why you're thinking of. You had me at alone.
Come on, get it. Me as father, come on.
When we stand together as one, we are the world, we are the children, we are the ones to make the better thing. So that's that it means to rule. I'll never rest for more than you love. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You wanna know right now how much I love you. Let's go out together. Let the ocean show you. And then hang every night when I'm thinking about you. Special dedication going out to everybody. Cause as we keep coming, we see you as our hero.
I will stand by you forever.
And we will stand by you also. Just because you
can save my breath.
love very strong people. I lost my mind. I get your here tonight. And much more than I ever know. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I need your profile, need a guy. So Blessing for the